If Samsung eventually implements this much-needed upgrade for the Galaxy S24 Ultra and Galaxy S24 Plus, the gap between Apple and Samsung will expand in one critical area. This will be Samsung's ideal reaction to the iPhone 15 series' larger battery upgrade. For some reason, Samsung has kept its flagship phone consumers deprived of the dopamine high that comes with seeing a smartphone with super-fast extreme charging. While Samsung will not go overboard with 100 or 240-watt charging, they will provide a sensible fast charging upgrade that will be substantially quicker than iPhone charging rates. According to the most recent rumor, Samsung might provide 65-watt fast charging on the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra, owing to the new stacking battery technology, which would take up less space within the phone while providing greater thermals and efficiency. As much as the phone's battery life is crucial, charging speeds are just as vital, and this is one area where Samsung can surely improve. Also in the announcement is UI 6.0, which will be the version that ships with the S24 series. It's nearly here as we see more and more One UI 6.0 firmware for the S23 Ultra, and this time One UI 6.0 will really be accessible in a lot more places than before, which means that more people will be able to get their hands on the One UI 6.0 beta than ever before. Last but not least, as you may well know, Samsung is planning on launching the Galaxy S23 FE for certain regions, and we've previously seen the design. There's a fair potential that the S23 FE will have a pretty monstrous performance, and no, I'm not talking about the Exynos 2200 model. Apparently, the US version will feature Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. If this is accurate and the pricing of the S23 FE is just right, it may be a very sweet bargain with the new cameras, but the front display bezels are a little horrible, particularly when compared to the just-released Nothing Phone 2, so it's going to be a very perplexing scenario. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.